Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm diving into something super important for all you WhatsApp users out there. What to do if your account gets banned. And trust me, it happens more than you think. But don't panic just yet. I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to get back online fast. Let's jump right in. So, you're staring at that dreaded "your account is banned" message on WhatsApp. Why did this happen? Well, there are a few common reasons: using unofficial apps like WhatsApp Plus, spamming, sharing malware, getting reported, or even acting like a bot. Yep, WhatsApp's got eyes on all of that. First things first, can you appeal this ban? Absolutely. Just open WhatsApp, find the Contact Us, or Request a Review option, and explain your case clearly and politely. Something like, "Hey, my account was banned for spam, but I didn't send any bulk messages. Please review." Attach any evidence if you've got it. Then wait. It can take a few days, maybe more, but remember, if you broke the rules, your chances of getting unbanned are slim. Now, if your appeal fails or the ban is permanent, it's time to create a new account. And here's the catch: WhatsApp doesn't accept just any number. Free VoIP services like Google Voice often block. And you don't want to risk your personal number again, right? This is where MobileSMS.io comes in. MobileSMS.io offers long-term burner numbers that are real SIM-based, not flimsy VoIP ones. These numbers work perfectly for WhatsApp verification. You can rent for 7, 30, or even 90 days. You choose how long you want to keep the number, simple and flexible. But here's the real advantage. Well, not only do you get a reliable number for WhatsApp, but you also get to use the same number across multiple platforms like Gmail or Telegram. It's cost-effective and keeps your personal number safe. Here's how you do it. Visit MobileSMS.io, sign up, pick a country, and choose a rental. Get your number instantly, enter it in WhatsApp, grab the SMS code from your MobileSMS.io dashboard, and you're back online. Easy as that. But hey, once you're back, let's keep it safe. Stick to the WhatsApp app. Avoid mass messaging, be respectful, and secure your account with two-factor authentication to prevent hacks. Remember, using a long-term burner number from MobileSMS.io helps avoid future bans. If WhatsApp ever re-verifies your number's ready, no need to scramble for a new one. Unlike sketchy VoIP apps or inconvenient prepaid SIMs, MobileSMS.io offers reliability, flexibility, and high privacy. So there it is, folks. If your WhatsApp account gets banned, don't freak out. Follow these steps to appeal or create a new account, and you'll be back to messaging in no time. And for the best experience, check out MobileSMS.io, long-term reliable phone number. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.